Good afternoon from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. Welcome to Data Cloud Now. I'm joined by Adrien Treuille, head of Streamlit, which makes creating web apps from Python fast and easy. Data scientists are able to go from data and models to deployed apps in a matter of hours. Adrien, thank you so much for joining me. To start with, I want to dive into your founding philosophies of Streamlit and what problem were you trying to solve?
Yeah, so I grew up in the machine learning world. I was working at Google X, Google, Carnegie Mellon, Zoox. I feels like my friends and I kind of built this field together. And one thing that always really frustrated me was we were working on these amazing technologies at these great companies, and it was really difficult to share what we were doing with others inside of the company.
That's got to be so frustrating.
Yeah, and you know, it just felt like there was this massive opportunity. So took a year off, traveled the world with my wife, and started hacking on my computer. I was like, this is cool. Got two of my smartest people I knew from Google. Was like, let's start this company. Next thing we knew, engineers at Uber was using it. It started blowing up. And that was about 3 years ago. So it's been quite a journey.
Wow, congratulations. Yeah. Now I want to bring it to a little bit more current time. Snowflake acquired Streamlit in March of this year. Why was it so pivotal to combine forces?
Yeah. It's really the founders of Snowflake who invited us over and said, here's this amazing vision for how we can bring Streamlit at a massive scale to our customers. And we met those guys and we were like, they were like us. They were nerds, they wanted to put the developer first, and it just felt like this feels so right. And so we found ourselves nodding, and then we said, you know what? This is the right next step for Streamlit and Snowflake and for both customers.
It clearly felt natural.
Yeah, completely. And it feels natural now that we're here too.
You know, speaking of which, being here, we're at Snowflake Summit, a lot of amazing announcements. How will Streamlit drive impact now as part of Snowflake?
Well, it's so cool. So on stage, we're going to show Streamlit as a first-class citizen inside of Snowflake. That means you can create Streamlit apps, edit them live, and share them both within your company and across company boundaries with native apps, all as a first-class citizen in Snowflake. It's going to be super cool. Can't wait to get this into people's hands.
You know, talk about impact, talk about collaboration. I love the journey to this point, but I have to ask Adrien, what's next and what excites you about this next chapter?
Well, it's been just so cool to see how excited Snowflake customers are about Streamlit. There's a lot of overlap amongst our customer sets already, but those who haven't seen it before are just like, when do we get this now? So it's just basically getting this technology out there, bringing it at Snowflake scale to these amazing customers, and watching them build Streamlit magic with Streamlit and Snowflake.
Well, Adrien, I'm excited to see what's next. Thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now. For the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green. We'll see you soon.